Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shopify Product Feed with Google Shopping. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate your Shopify Product Feed with Google Shopping, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Next, navigate to the Apps section in the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, look for the Google app and click to open it. If you haven't installed the Google app yet, you'll need to search for it in the Shopify App Store and install it. Once in the Google app, you'll see a prompt to connect your Google Merchant Center account. Follow the instructions to sign in to your Google Merchant Center account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. After connecting your Google Merchant Center, return to the Shopify Google app. Here, you will find an option to set up your product feed. Click on Setup to start the configuration process. You will then be prompted to choose the relevant settings for your product feed. Make sure you select your desired target country and language for the feed. Next, confirm the feed settings, including product categories and availability. Once you've reviewed and set everything up, click on the Save or Publish button. Your product feed will now generate, which may take a few moments to complete. Once the feed is ready, go back to your Google Merchant Center account. In the Merchant Center, check the Products section to ensure your items are listed correctly. You may need to wait for the feed's data to populate within Google Merchant Center. Finally, monitor your product feed status for any errors or warnings to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. With these steps, you've successfully activated your Shopify product feed with Google Shopping. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.